Okay, the identity factors that how the world perceives me. As a documentary filmmaker and as a black documentary filmmaker, uh, in certain environments, I am probably the only black person on set, but at the same time, I have a perspective that comes from me growing up in both England and the United States. That's a slightly unique viewpoint as opposed to other documentary filmmakers. The fact that I lived in class societies and classless societies has given me a unique perspective. And so I bring all this to the table when I'm sitting down with the academic researcher, and I have my own sort of worries and concerns that I will try to portray or not portray. But in the great scheme of things, the whole idea is that each documentary filmmaker brings a little bit of themselves to the product. And as a documentary filmmaker, I do bring a little bit of myself to whatever I shoot. It may be a camera angle, it could be a position, it could be just the fact that I'm sitting behind the camera or standing behind the camera that will affect an individual's responses. In an ideal world, I should be invisible, but in a real world, I am far from invisible. So I get the people on my side as quickly as possible. I try to make them relaxed as quickly as possible so that we can produce great work and share knowledge because knowledge mobilization is all that we're about.